So I'm going to show you how to turn quick share on or off on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. And you need to turn it on if you want to receive files from someone sending you any kind of files via quick share. And to do that, go to settings, and then under settings, go to connected devices, and then you should see quick share at the top. Tap on that, and then you can turn on quick share by selecting who can share with you. So you can see currently it says no one, which means quick share is turned off and no one can share any files with you. So tap here, and then you can turn it on for contacts only, or you can turn it on for everyone. And this is only for 10 minutes unless you uncheck this. Okay. Now it's going to be on, and anybody who has quick share, when you set to everyone, anybody around you that has quick share and is trying to send some files via quick share can be able to see your tablet, and they should be able to share those files with you. Once you're done, make sure you always set it to no one so that no one can send you files without your knowledge. Thanks for watching, and good luck.